Ready to maximize your gains while you sleep? Welcome to the Nourish and Thrive channel. In this eye-opening video, we are uncovering the game-changing strategy of consuming protein before hitting the hay. Get ready to learn how this approach could supercharge your muscle recovery, boost metabolism, and set you on a path to better health. If you are passionate about unleashing your body's full potential and embracing a vibrant lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Get ready to revolutionize your nighttime routine with the power of protein. While the concept of consuming protein before bedtime is not new, the scientific consensus on its effectiveness is still evolving. And the idea of having a protein shake right before sleep has not become widely accepted yet. However, a recently published study contributes to the limited body of research on consuming protein before sleep, offering intriguing insights that could potentially shift our perspective. Sleep undoubtedly plays a pivotal role, if not the key role, in our ability to recover and adapt to life's stresses, including exercise-induced strain. Quality sleep is crucial for the repair of muscle fibers damaged during exercise. In addition to prioritizing sleep quality, ensuring proper nutrient intake during this crucial recovery phase is equally essential. Protein, along with its amino acid components, stands as a cornerstone nutrient for muscle health. The logic of pre-sleep protein consumption seems sound on paper. It could potentially enhance muscle recovery, adaptation, and even muscle protein synthesis, the mechanism that drives muscle growth. While previous research has hinted at the possibility of pre-sleep protein consumption being effective, the available body of evidence remains rather limited. Hence, this new study holds promise in moving us closer to a more comprehensive understanding, although the exact outcome remains uncertain. Interestingly, the study's findings contain unexpected revelations. Let's delve into the details. This study enlisted 36 healthy young men who were randomly assigned to 3 groups, each consuming a different shake before bedtime. These shakes consisted of either 45 grams of whey protein supplement, 45 grams of casein protein supplement, or a non-caloric placebo mixture. Notably, around 2 hours before sleeping, the participants engaged in 60 minutes of endurance cycling at 60% of their training capacity. Several intriguing aspects of the study are worth highlighting. First and foremost, it is crucial to emphasize that this investigation explores not only the concept of protein intake before sleep, but specifically delves into the effects of 2 distinct protein supplements, whey and casein. A prevalent belief is that casein protein is more suitable for nighttime consumption due to its slower digestion rate, providing a consistent release of amino acids throughout the night. In contrast, whey prompts a rapid spike in amino acid levels within the first 90 minutes, but subsequently maintains lower levels. The second noteworthy aspect is the utilization of an endurance-focused training protocol, which introduced a new parameter for researchers to assess. In addition to scrutinizing muscle protein synthesis, this study allowed for an investigation into mitochondrial protein synthesis, offering insights into endurance adaptations that were previously unexplored. Throughout the experimental day, all participants were provided a baseline protein intake of 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight, a measure generally deemed adequate for adaptations related to physical activity. Notably advantageous for the study was the comprehensive monitoring of both the training and sleep protocols within a controlled laboratory environment. Blood samples were collected at various intervals during the study, including 6 occasions, while participants were asleep. The researchers aimed to gauge muscle and mitochondrial protein synthesis rates and ascertain any potential disparities in the effects of whey and casein. Now, let's delve into the outcomes. As anticipated, whey protein consumption led to a swift surge in leucine concentration levels within the initial 90 minutes, followed by a significant decline. Casein, aligning with expectations, sustained relatively modest yet elevated concentration levels throughout the night. Nevertheless, an unexpected observation emerged. Whey protein managed to maintain concentration levels similar to or even surpassing casein throughout the night, except for the final 2 hours of sleep. In essence, despite the pronounced decline subsequent to the initial spike, whey sustained a consistently high amino acid concentration level throughout the night, rivaling that achieved by casein. This dynamic seems to have influenced the subsequent findings. In terms of mitochondrial protein synthesis, the consumption of casein protein yielded an average increase of 23% compared to the placebo, while whey protein intake resulted in an average rise of 37%. Turning to muscle protein synthesis, casein triggered an average 18% increase over the placebo, whereas whey demonstrated a more substantial average increase of 35%. So, what can we glean from this study on the whole? Firstly, it implies that consuming protein before sleep could be a viable strategy to enhance endurance adaptations. This novel discovery could hold significance for endurance athletes, especially considering their relatively lower protein intake compared to other athlete groups. Additionally, for the pursuit of muscle development, these findings provide further reinforcement to earlier research. Consequently, a consistent body of evidence has emerged that lends credibility to the notion of consuming protein before bedtime. However, what truly astonished me were the contrast between whey and casein. Long-standing belief touted casein's supremacy due to its gradual digestion and its suitability for nighttime consumption. Yet the study indicates not only that casein's concentration effects are not significantly better, but also that the mechanism of muscle growth, muscle protein synthesis, distinctly lagged behind whey protein. This revelation could potentially establish whey protein as a preeminent milk-based and perhaps overall protein supplement. Of course, as always, it is imperative to consider this as a single study. Furthermore, it is worth noting that the whey and casein groups consumed more overall protein throughout the day compared to the placebo group. Although this might not drastically alter the results, given the study's focus on overnight effects, it remains a point for consideration. In sum, when evaluating the study in conjunction with previous research, if you enter this video with skepticism toward protein intake before sleep, it is possible that you were the one harboring preconceived notions all along. There you have it, a deep dive into the realm of pre-sleep protein consumption and its potential impacts on both endurance and muscle development. The results from the study shed new light on the effectiveness of consuming protein before bed, challenging traditional notions and highlighting the unique strengths of whey protein. As we wrap up this enlightening exploration, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us here on the Nourish and Thrive channel. If you found this information valuable and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow health enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more thought-provoking content that empowers you to nourish your body and embrace a thriving lifestyle. Until next time, keep nourishing and keep thriving.